have a lot of bananas growing on Fruits of Desire. Here's a banana. You can see it's produced the fruit and the flower. The flower is a very interesting thing that hangs down at the bottom. The bananas that grow in Louisiana are not the same as the bananas you buy at the store. Those are called Cavendish bananas. They're very sweet. These are actually more closely related to plantains, which means they're a little bit starchier, not quite as sweet. But when do you pick the bananas? Well, we're in November now, and you can see we've got this quite a few bananas growing on here, but you can see they're not quite big enough to pick. You can also see they're sort of square shaped. When they're square shaped, they're also not quite ready to pick. You want to wait till the bananas kind of round out and become round on the sides. So if you're looking at the bananas and you're seeing that they are square shaped, they're not quite ready. You will harvest them when they're still green. Just like when you go to the grocery store, you'll buy green bananas. They will ripen into yellow bananas. These will as well. So you can cut as many as you want. You can just cut a bunch of them and take what you need. When you take them home, just let them ripen, and as they turn yellow, enjoy the bananas. Again, they are not the Cavendish super sweet bananas. They are a little bit starchier. You can also treat them like plantains. You can fry them up and enjoy them like you would a plantain.